In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a UNIQLO gift card. Before you begin, make sure your UNIQLO gift card is valid and still has an available balance. That's important whether you plan to shop online, through the mobile app, or in a physical store. Once you're ready, go to the UNIQLO website, open the app, or head to a nearby store, depending on where your gift card is accepted. If you're shopping online, sign into your UNIQLO account first. This helps make checkout smoother, especially when it's time to confirm your order details. From there, browse through the available products and choose the items you want to purchase. As you shop, be careful to select the correct size, color, and quantity for each item so you don't run into issues later. When you find something you want, add it to your cart. After that, open your shopping cart and review everything you've selected. This is a good time to double check your order before moving on. If everything looks right, continue to check out. Next, enter or confirm your shipping address if you're placing an online order. Then choose your preferred delivery or pickup option. Once you reach the payment page, look for the gift card payment option if it's available. Select it, then enter your gift card number and PIN if the system asks for one. After entering the details, apply the gift card to your order. You should then see the gift card balance deducted from your total. Take a moment to confirm that the discount has been applied correctly. If the value of the gift card doesn't cover the full purchase amount, simply choose another payment method to pay the remaining balance. This is very common, so there's no need to worry if you still have a small amount left to pay. Before you finalize anything, review your full order details one last time. Make sure the items, delivery method, and payment information are all correct. Then place the order or complete the purchase. If you're shopping in a physical UNIQLO store, instead, the process is even simpler. Bring your items to the cashier and present your gift card during checkout. The cashier will scan the card or manually enter the gift card information, then apply the balance to your purchase. Once the transaction is complete, keep your receipt and hold on to any remaining gift card balance if there is one. That way, you can use it again on a future purchase. And that's how to use a UNIQLO gift card step by step.